What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Gonna give us a round for number 2. Been a rough day getting started out today. It has been nasty and cold and rainy in here today. Had some really big stuff planned, but we're gonna have to start from scratch and see what we can do. Got Mr. Hale, Mr. Ian Hale with us again today. I'm gonna see if he's gonna get down and nasty about what we're doing.
Oh, we gonna get nasty.
Oh yeah. So what we got rolling here, we got the 110 and the Husky loaded up. We're just gonna go poach some hill climbs, ride a little natural terrain in this rain. They kind of went together, natural terrain and rain. We just got news that Ian should have dumped at my house before we left.
I'm starting to get the nervous poops. I've never done anything like this, so like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if everybody has the natural ability to do what I could do like in the last video, but I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I've never done this before, so.
Crawling. Oh. Looking pretty rough.
Oh my gosh.
That's a long way up. It's a long, sketchy way up here. Ugh. Well, at least I got that one on video. I got it, but it was slanted, and I wheelied, and my rear tire hit it, and it went like that, and I just landed on my side. I went down so hard here a second ago. Oh yeah. Oh. That trail's pretty cool.
Yeah!
So we have made it back and unloaded. So that was pretty fun. It's not what I had planned for today or even what I expected when I got there. Usually, you know, in that first run and the first clips of video cam, you've seen where I was going up the hill. Usually we can get to the top of that and there's some pretty giant hill climbs up there, but there was an ice storm a few months ago and actually literally knocked down almost every tree up there. So it was just basically impossible to navigate today. So I was a little disappointed there, but I did have a lot of fun messing around. I found this cool little trail. I think we did make the best of it for being a wet, cold, rainy day. I was basically to the point where I didn't even think I was even gonna make a video today. So just the fact that I got out there and got to actually get some footage and put something together was awesome. I'd like to really thank my wife for staying home and watching the kids so I can go ride and have fun and make these videos. So you are the best. So I think that basically sums it up for the day. Please like, subscribe, share. If you got something you want to see, please comment below and we'll try to get that worked in there. I appreciate you guys watching.